Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome back to the Learning Zone with Manpreet Kaur. Today I have come up with a very new concept of these tables, I know it's a very big problem for my little ones to learn the tables. Isn't it? You find very difficult na when your mama says learn this table, learn the table of 6, learn the table of 7, learn the table of 3. So you all find it very difficult? It's okay, no problem. From today onwards your problem has come to an end because now there is no problem to learn the tables. Now from today you are going to make the tables. Okay? So, shall I tell you the new thing to write the tables? Okay, so let's get started. See, this is your maths notebook, isn't it? Like this, grid 1, it's your maths notebook. Okay, now what you have to do for making the tables is to write the numbers from 1 to 10 like this. Now what you have to do, you have to just write these numbers from 1 to 10 like this. Now if I am going to write the table of 2, then what I have to write? If I am going to write the table of 2, then what we are going to do? How we are going to make it? See, now what you have to do, you have to just count the boxes, that's it. Don't do anything else, count the boxes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now what I have done in this table, I have just counted the boxes, okay, like this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Still confused? It's okay. I'll do more tables, then your confusion will be over. Now what we have to do? Which table we are going to do? We are going to write the table of 3. So, we are going to write the table of 3. Now, let's see how we are going to do. What I have told you, to count the boxes like this. Okay, see, first box, second box, third box. To avoid a confusion, I am just writing the numbers like this. Fourth box, fifth box, and this one is sixth box. So, what I will write here? 6. Okay, now sixth box, seventh box, eighth box, and what will come here? 9. What will come here? 9. Now don't write these numbers 9, just do it in your mind. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24. Correct? Now which box is this? 25, 26. Now this box is 27, 28, 29. Yes, 30. This is table of 3. Like this. Will you be able to make the table of 4? Will you be able to make the table of 4? So 1, 2, 3, fourth box. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. See what I am doing? I am just counting the boxes, nothing else. Just count the boxes. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, then 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. See how easily I have done the tables till 4. No problem. I have done 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. Like this. Now shall we make the table of 5? Now you will make the table of 5 the same way. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Very good. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, then 46, 47, 48, 49, last is 50. So easily we have made the table of 5 also. Any problem? No. Likewise 6, 7, 8. Likewise 6, 7, 8. You can make like this and 9. So which table are we going to make now? Anyone you can choose. You have to just count the boxes. Now if I am going to make the table of 8. Let's skip these two tables. You can make it by yourself. Let's not waste much time in making all these tables. I'll just now give you example of table 8. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 16 comes here, then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We are not concerned with the things which are written in the box. We have to just count the boxes. Nothing else we have to do. Now what we have done here till 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. You all know counting from 1 to 100, isn't it? You all can do it like this, isn't it? You all can do it like this now. So, how easily we have made all these tables. There is no need to learn. Just make these tables like this. And if dodging sums will come, if multiplication will come, then I'll teach you that thing in my next video. Because when teachers will say you to write the tables, you can write in this way. But if in exams the question comes to multiply, like 6 7s are, 4 5s are, then what you will do? Then I'll explain you these things also in my next video. Okay, how to multiply this. Okay, so is it clear? These tables you have to just count the box and write like this. Okay, so just revise this and practice this to understand this concept in a better way. Please understand, don't mug up the things. Okay then, we'll meet you in next video to learn how to do the dodging of the tables. Okay then, bye-bye.